Mom, what if I fail? What if I don't get the scholarship?
You won't fail. Maybe I'm not good enough. Don't say that. You're stronger than you think.
Dialogue image you just watched, I found out this new tool where you can create dialogue image like this, just like Grok AI. It's going to talk. This first person is going to talk, the second person is going to talk. That is called dialogue video. So I tested it and it worked. Now we are going to redo it again with another image that I'm going to generate using ChatGPT. Now I've already given ChatGPT my prompt, generate another prompt, let the image be African setting. So I requested that the image should have a 50 years old mother and a 25 years old child, where she's consoling her about her not passing her exams. So I copied this whole image and this whole prompt and the negative prompt, and I posted it on Flow AI, and it gave me this image. So after I didn't realize that I was not screen recording. So after I generated this, I copied it and then put it here. It gave me this image. Now I'm going to be showing you this platform where I was able to generate this video. It's so good. Now you see, you've watched that video, right? Now I'm going to be taking you to this platform. Now you are going to click on kie.ai, kie.ai imagine, kie.ai. You can see once you click kie.ai, then you just click on it like this. So this is going to take you to something like this, Grok Imagine Video 1.5 API. That is the one that you should go for. This one that has this A logo on the side. It has something like a logo, an icon like A icon. So just click on it like this, and it's going to take you direct to this interface. You can see that I am already logged in, so it is very easy to use. Just go ahead and log in, and it's going to give you, it's going to just show your this thing, your profile. There is no need. I'm not sure I can even see that I have free credit here. I don't even know. I just ran the API directly. So what I did was that this is a prompt that was created by the so I'm going to be deleting this prompt. I think I'll just click on reset. So I'm just trying to erase all these prompts that I'm seeing here. I don't know why it is here, but it was not there before. So I'm going to be removing this. I'm going to remove this prompt like this. So now everything is empty. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be creating another dialogue image. So I'm going to be downloading my image from here. I've already downloaded the image. So where is it? So this image did not download from let's download the image again. Okay, it has downloaded, and I need to open it so that it will make sure that I have downloaded it, and open it with my gallery. So now that I've done that, I can now go back and then do what I need to do. So I'm going to go to my second tab and then upload my image. So this image, I'm going to be uploading it like this. Now I'm going to put the aspect ratio to 16:9. So I'm just going to wait for the image to upload. Now it has successfully uploaded, and then I'm going to be leaving it the duration at 1. Then check for nothing is okay. So I'm going to be using 720 for the video resolution. Then let's see if it's going to really upload. So let's go back to ChatGPT to get the dialogue. Now I want to use the dialogue that I had before. To be using the dialogue I had before, I'm just going to copy it like this and then come here to paste it. So let's just choose 48 pips because I don't know how. I'm going to paste my prompt here. So I've pasted my prompt here, and then the duration is 8. Then I'll paste my prompt. Then I run it. You click on run right here. Insufficient credits. Okay. I click on one and I think it's running. It's running. I click on the duration to be 1 because I don't know why it was not showing me like this before, but let's see what it's going to generate. But this is where I generated the previous one that you watched. So let's see what it's going to generate. I think the credit has finished, but this is for Grok Imagine.
Mom, what if I fail?
Okay, that is what it could bring out for 1 second. Now let me see if I can make it 4. Okay, it's generating for 3 seconds. So let's see what is going to generate for 3 seconds. So you can just log in here every day. It's going to be giving you free credits. It's going to give you free credits and you're going to run whatever you need to run. Just upload your image using generate your image using Flow AI, and then you can come here and do your dialogue image. That is exactly how this platform works. This is how, so you can just come here, log in, and you can even use different Gmail.
Mom, what if I fail? What if I don't get the scholarship? Won't fail.
Oh, I love this one. So I'm going to be downloading this. Successful. Now let's see if I'm going to log out. Okay, log out. So now I'm going to get started again. It's going to take time. So just chill. So I'm going to sign in. It's going to choose an email for me. So I'm going to use Bring for another email if it's going to work. So you know that you can use different email if you know that what you've done and you need more videos. If you need more videos, you can use different email. So this is going to take long, so you have to do it. You have to settle down and do it. It's going to ask you to match these things. It's going to ask you to match them. It's going to ask you to match them for like 3 times. So it's just for account security. Yeah, successfully login. Oh, thank God. So now I can now remove all these ones. So remove all these ones too. So my prompt to be clear. Now I can now continue my prompt. I can now continue my prompt. I want to copy this one. So you are stronger than you think. Maybe I'm not good enough. You are stronger than you think. Okay, let's go. I'm just going to put it here. Okay, upload my image again. Set it to your aspect ratio. Leave it in 8. Just leave it in that 8 that is there. So, or you can reduce it to 6. Let me just reduce it to 5, not 1, 6. Then I can run for wow, I don't know why. That means I don't have credit for this one. This platform, it usually detects the same IP address for the same phone. So if you are trying to maggle your way, so I think it's worked for 4 seconds. So it worked for 4 seconds. So you can just do that. Get a few clips, add it together on your CapCut, and then make your video and then go about your way. Once you have done this, this is very easy to use. Once you've just gotten what you need, you've gotten your images, you've gotten your characters, then you can just come here and you are out of credit on whatever you are using just come here and generate whatever you need to generate, and you get the results that it deserves. It's very clear, it's very good. You can even use 720 pips. It's very clear. So let's play it.
Maybe I'm not good enough. Don't say that. You're stronger than you think.
So now I'm going to download it, put together in another clip, and paste it as the beginning of this video, so you will see that this actually works. Now that is all for this video. If you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Blessing. In this channel, I teach tips and strategies on how you can use AI videos to grow your YouTube channel, to grow your social media accounts. Use AI, leverage AI tools, AI, everything that has to do with AI, how to make money using AI, how to generate tools, how to generate videos, how to generate images, how to use all these tools to generate your script, your thumbnail, and every other workflow that you need for your social media account. This page is for you. And like this video, share this video to every other persons that need it, so that YouTube can recommend this video to other creators that is looking for free tools to use for their content creation. And I'll be seeing you in my next video.